Automation is increasingly replacing manual labor down on the farm, but there are still many tasks best performed by people. Called farm workers, the tasks they handle depend on the size of the operation and what the farm grows. On a livestock farm or ranch, these workers provide for the care and feeding of the animals and poultry. At the first sign of disease, injury, or poor weight gain, farm workers give the ailing animal medical attention or arrange for veterinary care. They're also responsible for keeping the animals and their living conditions clean. Many of the fruits and vegetables produced in this country are cultivated and harvested by hand. While machines help prep the soil and plant the seeds, the farm workers do most of the transplanting, weeding, thinning, and pruning. Farm workers may also operate and maintain machinery, as well as do general repairs around the property. Sometimes the job includes keeping production records. Working with heavy equipment and large animals can be dangerous. Other hazards include prolonged exposure to the sun and to chemicals. Many types of farming are seasonal, requiring long, labor-intensive days during planting and harvesting. At these times, a workday of 16 to 20 hours is not unusual, so this is a job that can be very physically demanding. Many farms rely on day-to-day or temporary laborers, with most employers providing on-the-job training. Because no formal education is required, the pay tends to be low. In addition, agricultural labor is exempt from the overtime provisions of minimum wage laws. People who choose this often strenuous work enjoy growing and tending living things. For them, farming is more a lifestyle than a career.